Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to a new video. If you're here for the first time, hi, my name is Katleho. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my journey. I hope you stay by clicking the subscribe button below to become a part of this family. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. As always, I really do appreciate you guys' support. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't and to leave me a comment in the comment section, and of course to give this video a like. So today I just want to clean my common area, and I also have a few dishes to wash and one load of laundry to wash as well. So I really do hope you guys enjoy this video. If you are cleaning your house as well, or you want to get some laundry done, let us do it together. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get started.
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a ride, Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah.
So I don't know if you guys have noticed that lately, especially on this app, there have been a lot of people coming forward talking about rapture and having visions and dreams and being given dates on when rapture is going to happen. Apparently it's in September the 23rd and the 24th. Yeah, that whole, you know, it really got me to go back to the word and read. You know how sometimes in church they will ask you to open a verse, but you never read the whole passage because it's not relevant to what the preacher is preaching about on that day. So I went back and I said, you know what, let me just go and read. If it takes me the whole week, the whole day, doesn't really matter, but let me go back and read with understanding, and not only my own understanding, but inviting the Holy Spirit to bring revelations on what I'm reading. Because let's be honest, reading the Bible at face value is just like reading stories. It's like reading a storybook. It's like parables. If you read a parable, you just read it at face value. But if you invite the Holy Spirit, He is then able to reveal things, reveal the deeper meaning of what the parable actually means. So I went back and I said, you know what, let me go back and read, because I know that the day and the hour is unknown, but let me just go back and read. And it really got me thinking of how important it is for us, especially, children of God, to, like Jesus said, that many are going to come forward, in the last days. They're going to be deceivers and all of that. And how easy it is, even for us as children of God, sometimes to be, to worry about certain things that we shouldn't be worried about, because Jesus told us not to fear and not to believe. He told us way before, He told us not to believe them and everything. He specifically said in Mark chapter 24, if you read the whole chapter, He says there that the hour and the day is unknown. Not the angels, not the stars, not even the sun knows when rapture is going to happen. And it really got me thinking that, it's really important to read the word and to know the word and um, to know some of the things that, you know, were a warning to us as children of God in the last days to notice, but not to make them affect us in any way. It's a sign. Like, for example, the signs of birth pains, things that we see nowadays, kingdoms fighting against each other, wars, rumors of wars, all these things that are happening. It's all in the Bible. It's all in there. These things are supposed to happen because, to fulfill the word, they are supposed to happen. And it really got me thinking that, wow, I was chatting to some other ladies, and they're also children of God, and they were saying, oh, they were so invested in this whole thing, and they were like, oh my gosh, it's finally happening. And I was just there. I didn't say anything, and I was like, it is so dangerous not to know what you need to know at the time that you need to know it, because sometimes you really worry about something that you're not supposed to be worried about, to be quite honest. And please, guys, don't come for me. This is just my opinion, how I see things. If you believe that rapture indeed is going to be in September, go ahead, believe it. But all I'm saying is that as a child of God, it is really important to read the word and to know what Jesus said, what he warned us about, so that when such things happen, you are not alarmed. It doesn't ignite any fear in you, but you know for a fact what Jesus said. So yeah, I just wanted to say that. And if you feel comfortable, then you can write me a comment in the comment section and tell me what you think.
Remember when you said it doesn't get better than this? Only a fool would've let you go. You got into my head. Am I about to lose myself? When will all of this fade away? Cause I see colors for the first time. I'm starting to realize nothing's ever black and white. And I'm caught up in the first night. Now it doesn't feel right. I'll just have to say goodbye one last time. I know that it's hopeless, but we'll both be fine. Cause nothing's ever black and white. I don't see the fire in your eyes, wondering what I've done wrong. Those words are kinda hard to find, so I just had to write this song. I don't wanna see you cry again, and no matter how the story ends, I'll always be there for you. Cause I see colors for the first time. I'm starting to realize nothing's ever black and white. And I'm caught up in the first night. Now it doesn't feel right. I'll just have to say goodbye one last time. I know that it's hopeless, but we'll both be fine. Cause nothing's ever black and white. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And now we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it.
If you're still watching, thank you so much for watching till the end. I really do appreciate it, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, to leave me a comment, and to like this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.
You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow.